Hey everybody, it's Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. You have to come with me to check this out. You've been thinking about coming to Fiji, you're watching our videos. You have businesses where you are, but you're thinking, if I come to Fiji, I can't surf all day and kayak and scuba dive and snorkel. I need to keep myself busy at least somehow. Well, walk with me and I'm going to show you what we have here for you today. It's a actually functioning hotel right near the Nadi International Airport. So you can always rely on people coming in and giving you that full occupancy that you need. And it's really turnkey, ready to go. So let's go take a walk. Here we go. So I'm going to show you just one of the units. These are all 2-bedroom, 2-bath units, fully furnished. They all have air conditioners, fans, really, really nice. The building was only built a few years ago, so it's got all the modern amenities that you would expect. Notice you've got these nice screen doors here, so you can keep that open at night and get these cool breezes. So here is one of the units, and you can see it's fully furnished. So you've got your air conditioner up there. It all has a little art on the walls, fully functioning kitchen with flat screen TV. You have the radio down there. Nice places to sit down. There you have your electric burner stovetop, microwave and fridge, lots of storage with your hood, double sink, dishwasher. And then what's great about these also, again, you've got in-unit laundry, both washer and dryer, and that utility sink. A lot of places that we've seen, even multi-million-dollar homes in Denrau, Nisoso, Fantasy, some of them don't have that dryer. So this is something very convenient for residents and tenants that come and stay at Nadi Airport Apartments. Here is one of the bedrooms. And you can see there is a mirrored closet in there as well. Nice wooden headboard. Great tile throughout. Let's go check out the second bedroom together. Again, that nice wooden headboard. Vaulted ceilings with the recessed lighting. And there's your aircon unit on the wall. And let's have a look at the second bathroom together. Nice sink and shower stall. And you can see this is just really, really nice and clean. Notice the extra tile work that they did here. So this is something that you're going to definitely want to look at if you are a hotel owner operator overseas already, and you know how to look at the numbers, you know how to make something work. This is a wonderful opportunity to come in and take over the Nadi Airport Apartments. Like I said, there are at least 18 units. There are actually a few more. There also is a parcel of land available, about 4,500 square meters adjacent to this property, where you can potentially expand and do an additional phase and add some additional rooms. And as we know, the additional keys and units that you have lowers those operating variable costs. So go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more about this, get the financials, and learn more about this amazing opportunity to come and run an existing business right here in Fiji. Meanwhile, let's go pick some mangoes for ourselves right here. We'll see you soon. Vanaka.